Let's start the fall by making this beautiful wreath. It uses materials you can find right around your own home, so there will be no cost to you. So if you're interested, let's begin. So start off by going on a nature walk to collect your materials. We went in our backyard and just found sticks from the woods and a few acorns and acorn toppers to add to our wreath. Next, get your cardboard that you want to make your wreath with. And my trick onto making the perfect circle is to get a piece of string, tie it to the end of your pencil, and mark your center point and just go around. That'll give you an easy, quick circle, whatever size you need it to fit your door. To get your middle circle, just trim your string, whatever length you need it to be, and go around again. Now we're going to take our X-Acto knife and cut out this circle. Next is the fun part, which is taking all of the nature materials that you found in your backyard and attaching them to your wreath form. I started off with the sticks. I tried to get my thicker sticks first and put it down as maybe the base layer and put down the thinner sticks on top. All you need to do is break these sticks with your hands. You don't even need any power tools, and lay them where you want them to be. I really tried to pay attention to the texture of the sticks, the colors of the sticks. When I broke them, there were white parts that were exposed from the inside, and I tried to keep those white parts on the outside to get that sunburst effect. If you are breaking your sticks, I tried to spread out the sticks around the wreath so no two sticks were alike that were put together. This is supposed to be really fun. It's supposed to be relaxing. It's free form art. It really has no rules. You can always change it. You can always experiment with where each stick should go. There should be no stress. It should be really relaxing. It should be fun. Here I'm really playing around with the lengths of the sticks so I can get that nice sunburst effect. I don't want the sticks to be too short on one side and not long enough on the other, so you'll see me adding longer sticks, taking away the shorter sticks, so it can be evenly spread out on all the sides. I'm finishing up with my thicker sticks on the bottom, and I will go in with the thinner sticks that will lay on top to make a layered effect. And when you perfectly get your sticks exactly where you want them, you'll want to get your hot glue gun to secure them all down. I'll skip over that part of the video because it's a little redundant. This is my wreath after I glued everything down. We are inside and I'm just adding the last finishing really thin twigs to add a little extra texture. I really liked how some of the twigs that I broke showed exposed white wood. I think it gives a really nice contrast of natural colors. Here's what inspired this whole wreath altogether. It is these really interesting acorn toppers that I found on a run. They're just so texturized and interesting, and I've never really seen them anywhere. So I'm going to place them down exactly where I want them to go and then glue them on. And this is my finished wreath. I love the way it turned out. All the mixed materials on one form was so beautiful, and it didn't cost me any money. So I hope you can go out in nature today and make your own wreath. Make sure you like and comment on this video if you did, and come back for more tutorials. All right, bye.